Fire, fire.
Hey y'all, I'm back. It's been a while, but the girl has had a lot of stuff to do. Been places, been doing things, but here I am making another hair video for you. So I'm going to start with showing you the new Shea Moisture box I got. This Shea Moisture box is the beauty hack box. So it comes with a recipe book to show you how to mix each ingredient. Now you're gonna wonder why I'm saying what ingredients. Now the beauty hack box I received comes with a body and hair cleanser base. It also comes with pure 100% pure rose water. Focus. Here we go. It also comes with 100% pure avocado oil, %% pure vitamin E oil, and there are 2 aromas. The first aroma is olive and green tea. It's a very refreshing aroma. And lavender. And there's this little bottle, not a box, of turmeric shot. There we go. Now, the cutest thing it comes with, very cute y'all, very cute. It's a little jar to mix all ingredients in, my very own Shea Moisture jar. And last but not least, isn't this cute? Isn't this cute? Mix. So I need to wash my hair, y'all, guys. I've been swimming, I've been just like everywhere. I started with a very much needed protein treatment, so my hair right now is prepped and ready to start washing. But now I gotta make my shampoo. So let's start with adding the base. Now let's open it up and see what it smells like. That's the first step for me. Smell. Do I have tablespoons? No. I'm going to do the African way and just estimate. That's not 4 tablespoons, but whatever. Now, 3 tablespoons of nourishing oil. Now, which one should I use? Should I use pure vitamin E oil? Pure avocado oil? Rose water? So I'm just going to squeeze some drops in here. I made this myself, y'all. If I want to purchase my own personalized shampoo, just give me a call. It will be about $10 each on the low. So let's get started with washing. Hey y'all, I'm back. Well, this is my hair with no product in it. I liked how it did not have as much lather as like a lot of shampoo does, but it was really moisturizing. The turmeric got stuck in the bottom, but it turned yellow, so I'm thinking that it did its purpose and like mixed with the shampoo well. Anyways, I love making my own products with the Shea Moisture Beauty Hack Box. I am probably gonna go buy some more ingredients and like make some more stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.